Tonight, Your Health Matters. We are talking about taking care of your kids' eyes. Our guest is Dr. Stephen Lichtenstein from Illinois Eye Center, and he is a pediatric ophthalmology specialist, which means you work with kids. I would imagine one of the most common questions you get is, how young is too young? When should I start the eye exams for my kids?
Mike, it's never too young if there's a question, if there's a problem. If the parents have any concern, it's much better to get their children's eyes examined and find out there's no problem than to have waited a little too long and find out now they have a major problem trying to correct the problem that could have been corrected earlier.
Seems like it's so hard to know when they're 3 and 4 years old because they're not going to be telling you typically about it. Do you have to kind of go by your family history to start and then go by what you see?
Family history is a good place to start. You know, if you're wearing thick glasses and mom's wearing thick glasses and grandpa's wearing thick glasses, there's a chance that the child may need glasses earlier. But if they're not seeing things that you think they should be seeing, if you walk into the room and they don't know it's you until they hear your voice, things like that give you any kind of an idea there's a problem, I would definitely have their eyes checked.
Do kids' eyes change as they grow up? Can they seemingly have an eye problem at 5 or 6 or a vision problem, and then 8 or 9 years old, all of a sudden it's not there anymore?
Oh, absolutely. They change very rapidly. The major growth spurt is during that first year of life. That's also the time the brain is learning how to see. So that's the critical time when we want to get the children in there to make sure they're not having a vision problem if you think there is. But I have kids who are put into glasses at 2 or 3 and they're out of glasses at 6 or 7. So the eyes change very, very quickly, especially during that young age period.
When they get to those teenage years, is that a time that you should also pay attention?
Absolutely, but it's a little bit easier in the teenage years because the child will usually say, I can't see the board at school, I can't see this, I can't see that,
right.
I can't see the ball that's being pitched to me. So it's much easier when the child's verbal and can tell you when they're having a problem as opposed to that 2 or 3-year-old who can't tell you they're having a problem seeing.
All right, good tips. You want to find out more, go to our website and go to Your Health Matters. Doctor, thanks for coming in.
Thanks, Mike.